Hey Bellaras, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with dull skin, uneven pigmentation, or just looking for that perfect natural glow, today's DIY mask is exactly what you need. Packed with antioxidants, this beetroot mask is going to brighten your complexion, even out your skin tone, and leave you with a fresh rosy glow. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more weekly skincare tips and hacks, and let's get glowing. First, let's extract fresh beetroot juice. Start by peeling and grating one small-sized beetroot finely. Now take a sieve and place it over a bowl. Put the grated beetroot in the sieve and using the back of a spoon, press down to extract the juice. And there you have it, a beautiful, vibrant beetroot juice ready to go. This beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. It helps to brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and give you that natural rosy glow. Back to our mask. Add 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Rich in lactic acid, it gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving your skin soft and smooth. Then, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a secret weapon for absorbing excess oil while locking in moisture. Cornstarch also helps to create a silky texture for the mask. Add the beetroot juice slowly until you get a smooth, creamy paste. And there you have it. Your DIY beetroot mask is ready to work its magic. Apply the mask evenly on a clean face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This is a great time to relax, sip some tea, or scroll through Bellaras' other videos. Gently rinse off with lukewarm water, pat dry, and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Your skin will feel refreshed, hydrated, and glowing. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for consistent results. And there you have it, Bellaras, a simple, all-natural beetroot face mask that will leave your skin glowing and refreshed. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare magic. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!